Hello everyone. Once again, this is ABW's Executive Chef Chris, and we're here with ABW's 2-Minute Kitchen, where we demystify the culinary arts by showcasing amazing appliances and showing you how easy it is to cook great food at home. Today we're going to be cooking on the American Range Performer. This is an open burner range. This particular one is 36 inches wide with 4 burners and a griddle. But first we're going to start out with the oven and how large this oven cavity is. You can see you can fit a commercial size cookie sheet in here with no problem at all. So today we're going to be doing seared sea scallops. What makes this such a nice burner is that it's an open burner and it allows air to mix with the moisture and the gas to create an amazing flame. So today we're going to be using a little olive oil, sea scallops, salt, pepper, garlic, a little lemon, butter, and chives to finish it off. I'm going to put a little olive oil in the pan here. We're going to season our sea scallops. So once our pan starts smoking a little bit, we're going to grab the sea scallops, drop them in here. So this particular one, 25,000 BTU, gives you enough heat to sear or saute. And the idea behind that is locking in the flavor and moisture and keeping that intact when you saute something. If the burner's not strong enough, you're going to extract the moisture and not be able to saute it properly. Cut this back to low simmer. Now we're going to make our sauce. I'm going to get a little bit of butter here. Throw a little bit of garlic in here. And the last thing we're going to do is hit it with just a little bit of lemon juice. That's going to deglaze our pan a little bit. And that's your sauce. And then we're going to pour that right on top of the scallops. And there we are. Now that is some kind of good. For more information on this particular product or any of the products we carry, please contact us at abwappliances.com. And remember, keep trying new recipes at home. This is ABW's Executive Chef Chris signing out for today. And thank you again for watching ABW's 2-Minute Kitchen.